Ninjaman, dancehall's original bad boy and cultural icon. Ninjaman, born Desmond John Ballentine on January 20th, 1966, in St. Mary, Jamaica, is a pivotal figure in dancehall music, known for his electrifying stage presence, gritty lyrics, and badman persona. Emerging in the 1980s, Ninjaman became a symbol of raw, uncompromising energy in dancehall and gained a reputation for his fearless lyrics that addressed the harsh realities of inner-city life in Jamaica. With a career that spans several decades, he has cemented his status as one of the genre's most influential and controversial artists. Ninjaman moved to Kingston as a teenager, where he became fascinated by sound systems, a critical element of Jamaican music culture. He began his career under the name Double Ugly, and initially performed at various sound system events, showcasing his ability to improvise lyrics and captivate audiences with his fast-paced delivery. His breakthrough came when he adopted the name Ninjaman and developed his signature style, which combined sharp social commentary with a tough, gun-slinging image that was distinct from many of his peers. By the late 1980s, Ninjaman had established himself as one of dancehall's most recognizable voices. His popular singles, such as Murdered Dem and Permit to Bury, epitomized the badman style that was gaining traction in dancehall. Songs like Border Clash and My Weapon cemented his reputation as a provocative artist unafraid to explore themes of violence, survival, and street life. While some criticized his music for glorifying crime, others saw it as a reflection of the struggles faced by Jamaica's underprivileged communities. One of Ninjaman's unique contributions to dancehall is his role in the development of the clash culture, live battles where artists compete lyrically in front of audiences. His clashes, particularly with fellow artist Chabaranks, are legendary and are still remembered as some of the fiercest in dancehall history. Ninjaman's ability to freestyle and his quick wit made him a formidable competitor, further solidifying his reputation as the genre's ultimate badman. Despite his success, Ninjaman's career has been marked by controversy and legal troubles. His life offstage often mirrored the rough and unfiltered themes of his music. Known for his confrontational style, he was involved in various legal issues over the years, which ultimately affected his public image and career trajectory. His most significant legal trouble came in 2009 when he was arrested for murder, leading to a lengthy legal battle. In 2017, he was found guilty of murder and sentenced to life in prison, marking a dramatic end to his career. Ninjaman's lifestyle embodied the tough persona he projected in his music. Known for his flashy attire, including large gold jewelry and colorful outfits, he was a symbol of dancehall's rebellious and unapologetic spirit. Though his wealth has diminished due to his legal troubles, his net worth is estimated to be around $1 million, primarily from his peak music years and performance earnings. Despite his fall from grace, Ninjaman's legacy in dancehall remains intact. His influence is evident in the work of later dancehall artists who have adopted the badman style and continue to explore themes of street life and survival. Ninjaman's life and career serve as both a cautionary tale and a testament to the power of dancehall as a form of raw, unfiltered expression. His music continues to be celebrated by fans who appreciate his unapologetic style and his contributions to dancehall's evolution.